Hey, I'm Vasi. I test AI tools and I show you what actually works. Right now, this is what I do for my social media. Every morning, a post like this is already designed and waiting for me. I didn't write it, I didn't design it, an AI did while I was asleep. It runs on something called a routine, a safe job that runs on a schedule in the cloud even when my laptop is closed. No code, it's a paid cloud feature. You set it once and it runs every day. And it all comes down to one thing, the prompt. So let me show you the whole thing. Most people just open the AI and type something quick. Give me 5 Instagram posts. And what comes back is fine, but it's generic. It could be any business. So here's the real move. In Claude Code, I open routine and I click new routine. I give it a name, then the important part. I paste my real prompt. This tells it exactly who I am, my agency, my city, my voice, my rules. It asks for a full pack, an Instagram post, a LinkedIn post, 3 email subjects, all designed in Canva. I switch on the connectors it needs, Canva and Gmail. Then the schedule, daily at 9 in the morning, and I click create. Done. Now let's run it once. I hit run now and it starts working all by itself. Now we just watch it work. It loads my brand kit and writes all 3 posts. Then it starts designing the graphics, right inside Canva. And look, these are the real designs it made. 4 beautiful options. I can pick any of them or tweak them. You can literally see everything it did step by step. It saves the design, then writes the email draft form. We told it to leave it all as a draft in Gmail. So let's open the draft. Here's the whole content pack. The Instagram post, the LinkedIn post, and 3 email subjects. Nothing is sent, it's all a draft. I keep the final say. And here's the Canva link. You open it, tweak the image, change anything you like. And that's the point. With a routine in Claude Code, you can automate almost anything. Email replies, a daily report, anything you want every day or once a week. A routine is the timer, plus the skill, the connectors, and your API keys. It runs the loop in the cloud without you. That's your first autonomous agent. Set up once, running every morning. Want the exact prompt? Comment or DM me the word prompt and I'll send it over. And if you want me to build one for your business, just say so. New one every week. See you in the next.